8.3. Tabo wanted to save 450,000 as a deposit to buy a house on the 30th of June 2018. He deposited a fixed amount of money at the end of every month into an account earning interest of 8.35% per annum, compounded monthly. His first deposit was made on the 31st of July 2013 and his 60th deposit on the 30th of June 2018. Then calculate the amount he deposited monthly. So this is a problem of future value and present values. Specifically for 8.3.1, we are working with the future value formula. So we have F is equals to X, big brackets, 1 plus I in smaller brackets, to the power of N, and then minus 1, close brackets, all over the interest, like that. So in this question, it's important to highlight the important information. So he wants to save 450,000 and he deposits a fixed amount of money at the end of every month into an account earning 8.35, and then it's compounded monthly, which is also important. His first deposit is made on the 31st of July 2013 and his 60th deposit on the 30th of June 2018, and we know this is the due date when he wanted to have this amount by the 30th of June, so that's when he makes his last payment. Then we need to calculate the amount he deposited monthly, so his monthly installments. In this formula, monthly installments are described by X. So that's our monthly installments. And we have to, again, if you watch the previous video, you would know that when we are solving for a different variable than the one that's already made the subject of the formula, here it is the future value. It is beneficial for you to first make X the subject of the formula and then substitute into the other value so you can solve for X faster and without making mistakes. So one thing to note is that with our interest, it would be divided by 12. This is because we have our compounded monthly and we have 12 months in a year, so we need to divide that interest by 12 and then we can begin solving. So what we want to do is we multiply both sides by I over 12. That will give us F times I over 12 on this side, which is equal to X and this whole bracket of 1 plus I over 12 to the power of N minus 1, close bracket. And then we can divide by this whole entire bracket that we have over here, which will make it easier to then solve the problem. Okay, if I paste it there, and then also do the same thing for both sides. So divide this other side as well by the same value. Then we can see we have made X the subject of the formula. So X is now equal to, if I rewrite this appropriately, it would be the future value times interest all over 12 multiplied by this bracket, 1 plus I over 12 to the power of N minus 1, close brackets. So now we can substitute. We have our future value being, we want to save 450,000, so that's the amount we need in the future, 450,000, and our interest is 0.0835 all over 12 and 1 plus 0.0835 over 12 to the power of 60 minus 1, close bracket. This, put this on your calculator and you get a monthly installment value of 6,068 with 69 cents. That is the monthly installments that you will be paying.